Hi students, we are going to learn about cell organelles from the chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life. And two cell organelles we are going to discuss today, and the first cell organelle is Golgi apparatus. Why the name Golgi apparatus? The Golgi apparatus was first described by Camillo Golgi. That is how the name has come, Golgi apparatus. And you can see the picture of Golgi apparatus here. Golgi apparatus, and you can see here also it was first described by Camillo Golgi, and it consists of a system of membrane bound vesicles arranged one parallel to the another in stacks. This arrangement that is known as cisterns. Very important question. Okay, so they are system of membrane bound vesicles arranged one parallel to the another in stacks, that is called as cisterns. And what is the function of this Golgi apparatus? Its main function is storage, modification and package of cell products. That means imagine a courier service. What they are doing, they will collect the things, they will store it, they will repack or modify it, and they will be sent to the needed places. In the same way, the function of a Golgi apparatus is storage, modification and package of cell products. And these membranes are often have a connection with the membranes of endoplasmic reticulum. So last class we discussed about endoplasmic reticulum. So whatever materials synthesized near the endoplasmic reticulum is packaged and dispatched to various targets of inside and outside the cell through this Golgi apparatus. Okay, and it also helps to make the complex sugars from simple sugars. And it also involved in the formation of lysosomes. So lysosome is another cell organelle which we are going to discuss next. Okay, I hope it is clear. That is Golgi apparatus was described by Camillo Golgi, and system of membrane bound vesicles arranged one parallel to the another in stacks, that is called as cisterns, and the main function it is storage, modification and package of cell products. It helps in the formation of complex sugars from simple sugars and also helps in the formation of lysosomes. Next, we are going to discuss another cell organelle which is known as lysosomes. What is that? Lysosomes. So we know that in our body also waste will be generated, right? In the same way, in a single cell also what will be there? Waste will be there. So this waste should be removed from the cell. So that is being done by the cell organelle lysosomes. So the what is that? Main function of this lysosome is clearing of waste. So they are known as waste disposal system of a cell. Okay, so it helps to keep the cell clean by digesting all the foreign materials or unwanted materials or waste. Okay, so how it is helping to clear waste? The lysosome is having digestive enzymes in them. Powerful digestive enzymes are there to clear the waste. And it is also known as suicidal bags of a cell. Suicidal means the word is a self-killing, right? So suicidal bags in the sense that, see, during any whatever waste is there comes inside the cell, they will clear it. But sometimes if a cell gets due to any metabolic problem or any disturbance in the cellular metabolism or damage occurs in the cell, if the cell gets damaged, that time the lysosomes will burst. The lysosome will burst and the digestive enzymes will come out and they will clear themselves. They will clear themselves or digest their own cell. That is why they are known as suicidal bags of a cell. Understood? So the important question from these two cell organelle is what is the function of Golgi apparatus? What is cisterns? and what are the function of Golgi apparatus. And lysosome, the questions can be name the cell organelle which is known as waste disposal system of the cell. A very important 3-mark question is why lysosome is known as suicidal bags of a cell. I hope these topics are clear to you, and next class we are going to discuss about the remaining cell organelles. Thank you.